I hate myself. Prepare for travel.
Make it double.
Yeah.
I hate existence. Actual like opening, like hello, this is what we're doing, we're killing ourselves.
Oh, did you start recording?
Yes.
Oh, hi.
Hi, welcome to our suicide pact. Today we're going to make unholy abominations.
I don't know, we're making help.
Blights upon the eyes of God himself. These meals are atrocious. And so we're going to appropriately be naming these meals sin meals.
Ah, Sydney.
Now, let me show you an example of one of the cursed items that will be on the screen.
Terrified.
Ah, yes. You should be. Because,
It smells of onions on the pizza. Why are we making this? Why are we making this?
This is my short person, Mads.
Hey.
Oh yeah, we're also making other cursed items such as this, such as a candy corn pizza that's been shown
So
on
the whole
internet.
time when we were in Kroger and I was complaining about how much candy corn sucks.
I told you, you're gonna have to deal with it.
You knew.
And even more cursed meals that you will see following. So let us begin with the two pizzas because those are the two easiest to make. And they will make me want to die the most. No, it won't. There's a much worse one. It's not even like bad, it's just really
I'm very scared.
depressing.
What is this breakfast sausage?
Oh god, you're ready for something. Let's get to it. Do I have to wear that?
Yeah. I was gonna say I'm older than you.
Welcome to Flavor Town. You're gonna need a pizza tray, pan, thingy. What are these called?
Tray. Pan.
Tray, pan.
Sexual.
Go to horny jail. I mean, can you blame them? You just see a nice set of cookware. You can't help but just act up.
Are you coming out?
Yes, I like pans. So anyways, you take your pizza thingies.
Stab it.
No. Put the knife away.
Threaten.
I have a pair of scissors.
I have a knife.
Preheat the oven to 425 degrees.
That's a good question, because I don't know how to do it.
And now, while that's preheating,
A letter from today's sponsor.
today's
Raid
video...
Shadow Letter.
Ah, no.
Okay, never
Go
mind.
slowly. There we go. Now you got the full one.
I'm gonna beat you up.
You're gonna beat me up with a towel rod. With a paper towel. Now that we've washed our hands properly, we are going to take these pizza crusts and we're going to lather olive oil on it. Lather it slowly, sensually, like you
I
would.
put them in the oven.
Why would you do that?
It's in the oven.
Why would you? No.
The oven is
No.
hot.
No! So now that you've taken your lightly toasted pizza crust out of the oven, which it wasn't supposed to be in the first place, you're going to lather them with some olive oil. Just pour some on the top. Do you have a brush of some sort? Don't worry.
Use your
just
hands.
No.
These are spoons.
No, we're not going to use our hands anymore. Just grab me like a paper towel. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Why are you like this?
You dropped the piece on the floor.
You know this is a famine.
But you fucking throw cheese
He threw a piece of fresh mutts on the ground! Ah, come on, Tony! What the fuck are you doing around here? You know we're in a famine!
Where's my money, nigga?
You moved the camera.
So now we add our special ingredients. Why aren't there bones? Why are there bones?
The past victims are skulls.
There's bones and skulls. Ow! I hate existence.
It's sands. No, please. Please, for the love of God.
Focus, you son of a bitch. It's too bright.
No. Wait. We're black. We can make this work. This is how makeup people do it, don't they?
I don't know. You know, I might be bugging, but I don't know if James Charles uses this technique.
No, it has to work, okay?
So,
Cheese on
never
my
mind.
finger. No. Just
So here are our two beautiful, delicious. I can't even lie. Alrighty, now that we've preheated the oven, let's go put our little demons inside to bake for a bit. While we wait for the entrees to finish, I'm gonna let Mads read out the recipe for our next meal.
I'm scared.
You're going to hate every second of it.
Once you're done, suffer while you think about why your parents don't love you. Dad won't come back. Why did Dad leave? Tell me! Hey, Red.
Yeah?
Buddy.
What do you need this time to say it?
Hi, first say hi to Chris.
Methamphetamine.
Why are you...
Shut up.
Butter like that.
Shut up.
You dropped it! Did you cut it yourself?
That's not
Did you
important.
cut it yourself?
I should never be left alone to my devices. And this is a very clear indication why. The reason people are so short is because their dads didn't pull out in time and their height ended up on the bed sheets.
What happened with you then?
Not a single bit of pull out. That's if the whole family's short, then there's some nasty ass bed sheets in that household.
So glad I can
Red.
have the
Red.
excuse to refuse to eat it because it has egg.
Send them the photos, please. I don't want to eat you. I don't want to eat you. You smell horrible. I'll eat the sausage. That's about it.
And here we have the neglectful. salt to the rice.
Sausage is good. I'm eating some of it now.
Well, the egg just burst onto my rice, which it's supposed to.
I just don't really want to eat sausage right now, though. See, he's suffering with us. He's not even here.
This feels wrong to watch.
This is something that belongs on like Live Leak or the dark web.
I wouldn't say the dark web, but sure.
Like the video of the children you killed?
You can't prove anything!
He blew up a school. Either one, you clever. Or that musical. If I pick off the onions.
No. Clem, you are a nightmare. An utter abhorrent nightmare. Alright.
No, wait.
Yeah. Here goes.
Don't do it in the sink. Not in the sink. There's a trash can. Do I have to take outside?
Yes.
I want to see if there's a way to improve it and make it actually edible.
It has onions red. What are we gonna do about that?
If Benji was Babish,
The only topping is onion.
if Benji was Babish can make anything terrible seen on television edible.
Well, that's the end of the video for the
Now
most
we're not.
part. I don't really think that they deserve to see us watch eat something actually good on camera.
I think they do.
They can do that in the
Please,
next.
I really want to just.
Tune in to our next
No,
video.
no.
where we- Clusterfuck.
I thought it was a cult classic.
And it's both.
It's,
Though I
and
haven't watched
honestly,
End
it's
of
alright.
Evangelion.
Just like with Cowboy Bebop, it was alright. Yeah, I guess it could be considered a classic, but it's alright, I guess.